Put that one up.
That one?
I almost like
That one? Or that
It's all on you. Ah! It's barely holding up.
And here comes Sean.
What in the fuck is going on out here?
Okay, we are exhausted from trimming trees and putting up some more stands, so it's pool time.
Woo! It's a little chilly. Oh. Nice to hear.
Sorry. Is that a Matthews hat you're wearing?
I don't want to talk about it.
Hey, this is a PSE guy.
I'm drunk. I don't want to talk about it.
This is a PSE guy wearing a Matthews hat.
Ooh, that arrow funk too funny.
You know when you were pulling back, it was coming off the rest too.
It was.
Yeah.
Bandit don't want us to have it in there.
It's like Christmas, you know? It'll be Christmas when I get that big bug.
I wanted rain about 2 weeks ago, but I did not want it like this. Not opening day, pouring. My food plot, on the other hand, is very happy because it hasn't seen rain in about like 2 weeks. So look how good it's doing down there. Look at that. It's smiling for the picture, but I'm not. We caught up to Stacy! Get up to him. Come on. once again with the wine.
If you're gonna drink wine at 9 a.m.,
It's
you
okay.
need an opener.
Jumbo Kroger.
Well, what we thought was going to be a quick fix on a drain pipe for the kettle pond didn't end up being so quick. Now we gotta go get another tractor to pull this out.
Shit comes off the antlers, right?
Yeah.
On to the next deer.
You hold the bottom and mark it.
It's supposed to be inside.
There's a phone cord. This is the most official way of scoring ever.
Ooh, only 5 more deer and they'll catch up to me this year.
Okay, hold on. 125.
Taking apart our new blinds.
See, it's so stealthy the deer will never notice me. You see how quiet it is when I come in and out and trip over everything? So we picked this up at what was formerly called Big R. It turned into Stock and Field, but they were going out of business after doing bankruptcy or some crap. So we picked this up for like 30% off. So we figured we'd put it out in the field. We can't figure out where we're gonna put it, but
With that base.
yeah, we had some scrap lumber here because we're on the house. So we was able to put together a base. We got some brackets to put the 4x4s in. I think it's gonna be like 12 foot high. So